Hi, my name's Nathaniel McGee, and I am from eastern Kansas, right along the Missouri line. I'm originally from Blue Mound, Kansas. I went to school at Jayhawk Lynn High School, and then after high school I went to Fort Scott Community College and judged livestock on a scholarship there before transferring to Kansas State University. And I graduated in 2013 from K-State with a degree in agricultural education. While at K-State, I met my wife, Amanda, who is also a teacher, and we both moved to Winfield to start our career. Winfield's just south of Wichita. I taught agriculture education there for 2 years, and Amanda was a fourth grade teacher. Then the opportunity came to move close to home. We actually moved back to her hometown of Osawatomie, and about 30 minutes from my hometown. She teaches at Osawatomie in the elementary school. She teaches fifth grade, and I teach at Central Heights, which is a 2A high school in the middle of a field between four very small towns. And I'm the agriculture education teacher there. And teaching in a small school, I'm also asked to do other things, like I serve on some committees, and I'm a full-time bus driver before and after school every day. Other exciting things or interesting things about me, we're really excited that our first child is due any day now. In fact, she was due last Wednesday, but has decided to delay her birth, and so my wife will be induced probably Wednesday, unless she comes before then. Then as far as goals, long-term goal, I would like to eventually become a principal. Start as an assistant principal at a middle school or high school. I'd like to stay at Central Heights and move up at the school I'm already at. And eventually I would like to become a head principal and maybe even move closer to my hometown, a little bit south of here. Short-term goals, I'm not going to lie, the reason why I started this master's degree is because I needed a pay increase, and I'd spent too many years on the far left column of our salary schedule, and so I decided to start moving my way over some columns. The last thing what I hope to learn, being an electives teacher, I have been responsible for my own curriculum my whole career. I teach whatever I've made or found online or bought through or went to workshops for. And so I'm interested to find out how you teach or implement a pre-K through 12 curriculum while still allowing your teachers to have individuality and creativity with their lessons. Look forward to a great semester and getting to know all of you. Bye.